Good day, everyone. I am Jonali S. Miki from Bachelor of Industrial Technology, Culinary 1E. If a student is absent without a valid reason, it may affect their participation and performance in the course. Too many absences may also lead to penalties or failure to complete the program requirements. Therefore, students are encouraged to attend regularly and be punctual during classes and activities. Being present in activities is important because students need to experience the learning process and contribute to their group projects. Participation helps students gain knowledge, skills, and real life experiences that are part of the objectives of CWTS. Today, I will share my understanding of the Orientation for Civic Welfare Training Service or CWTS2, which is part of the National Service Training Program. First, the main goal of NSTP is to transform the youth into responsible and active citizens. It encourages students to develop important values such as being God-fearing, patriotic, humane, and environmentally responsible. Through this program, students are trained not only academically but also socially so they can contribute to the development of their community and the nation. The vision of the program is to become a leading center for civic consciousness and defense preparedness. This means the program aims to develop students who are aware of social issues, ready to help their communities, and prepared to respond during emergencies or disasters. It promotes service, patriotism, and community development among the youth. Students are also expected to participate actively in all activities and group projects. Cooperation and teamwork are very important in CWTS because many activities are done in groups. Students should also follow instructions given by their instructors to ensure the activities are conducted safely and properly. Another rule is to maintain discipline and responsibility while participating in community activities. Students should represent their school in a positive way and avoid any actions that may harm the reputation of the institution. The orientation also discussed attendance policies. Attendance is very important in CWTS because many activities involve participation and teamwork. Students are expected to attend all scheduled classes, meetings, and community activities. The orientation also discussed the expected program outcomes. After completing the program, students should develop a strong sense of civic duty. They should actively participate in community initiatives and demonstrate commitment to national pride and patriotism. Students are also expected to apply their knowledge and skills to address social issues and contribute to the betterment of their local communities. Another expected outcome is that students will be equipped with the necessary skills to respond effectively during emergencies and disasters. They should also become organized, motivated, and capable of working collaboratively with others to achieve common goals. In addition, students are encouraged to practice lifelong learning and continue contributing to national development even after completing the program. The orientation also presented the program of activities for the semester. At the start of the semester, students will undergo orientation and planning activities. These activities include preparing the program of activities, understanding the syllabus, and setting goals for the semester. These steps help students become familiar with the structure and expectations of the course. Another important activity is the discussion of community immersion. Community immersion allows students to directly with communities and understand their needs and problems. During this stage, students will work in groups to prepare activity proposals that address specific community concerns. After preparing the proposal, students will present their project plans. This allows instructors and classmates to evaluate the proposed activity and provide suggestions for improvement. Once the proposals are approved, students will begin the implementation of their community projects. During the implementation phase, students will work together with community members to carry out the planned activities. This stage is important because it allows students to apply their leadership, teamwork, and communication skills. Students will also learn how to manage time, organize resources, and solve problems that may arise during the implementation of the project. After completing the community immersion activities, students will evaluate the outcomes of their projects. They will reflect on their experiences and assess the impact of their activities on the community. Students will also prepare a narrative report that documents the process, results, and lessons learned from the project. The final activities include the presentation of project outputs and the submission of the narrative report. These requirements help ensure that students fully understand and reflect on the learning experience gained during the program. The program will conclude with the NSTP CWT's graduation, which recognizes students who have successfully completed the requirements of the course. The orientation also mentioned several health and social awareness topics that may be discussed during the semester. These include COVID-19 awareness, HIV and AIDS education, dengue prevention, sexual and reproductive health education, healthy lifestyle promotion, tuberculosis awareness, violence against women and children awareness, teenage pregnancy prevention, bloodletting activities, and tobacco regulation awareness. These topics are important because they help students understand real issues that affect communities. By learning about these topics, students can help promote awareness and educate others in their communities. In conclusion, the CWT-2 orientation provided an overview of the goals, objectives, and activities of the program. It showed the CWT is not only about completing academic requirements, but also about developing responsible and active citizens. Through community immersion and service activities, students gain valuable experiences that help them grow personally and socially. The program encourages students to participate in community development and contribute to the betterment of society. That's all.